What's going on, guys? It's your boy ctsv3, and as you can tell by the title of this video, we're going to be doing a passenger ride along with probably one of my youngest followers. I met him a couple of weeks ago, about 3 weeks ago. I was driving the video here.
Ready?
Yeah, come on.
Instagram.
Do you?
I texted you. I saw you on 646 on your video when you trying to race that Camaro.
Really?
Yes.
Message me, I'll follow you back.
Alright, bet. You got it's choppy. You got a cam on it?
Yeah, I do.
Bro, I've been trying to look for you because I saw two CTS.
I'm gonna get ran over so bad.
Yeah?
Alright, man.
Alright, let it. Yo, watch out.
Hey, YC Kai.
YC Kai. Alright, bet.
Sorry, doggy.
Oh, that's so cute.
And he messaged me today and said that he wanted to go on a ride along. So I've never done this thing before. I went ahead and actually texted his mom, since he is only 12 years old. I did text his mom to make sure that it was okay for her, or okay for him to ride along with me. So he lives down the street, he's in my neighborhood. Let's go pick him up. Pick him up right now. Like I said, he stays down the street. Now I'm gonna just take him for a little ride along, maybe do a little pull or two. Ready?
Dang, you got that camera too?
Yeah, I got it. That's what's taking me so long. I gotta put your seatbelt on though.
I've never been in a fast car.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Never.
Just
Can I raise the seat? I
yeah, here you go.
I'm short. Bro. Alright, bro.
Scared?
Where are you about to
You look
go?
nervous. I
Huh?
was probably gonna go just like through Calder Road.
Alright, bet.
You look nervous though.
Yeah, I know.
You're not nervous, are you?
No. Now I am. Bro, this thing sounds mean. Bro. Yeah, you said last night all it had was a cold air intake.
It does.
Yeah, sure.
The tune. Your mom said we're okay, so we're good.
Alright, bet.
I texted her, she said, cool, no problem. She said, thank you for texting me.
Yeah, she told me. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, this thing sounds mean. We gotta go do the English or Spanish or something. Bro, that'd be funny. I already know we're about to go flying.
One thing that sucks is it's hot outside. When it's,
I know,
when
it
it's
feels
cold,
bad.
When it's like cold, this car is so much better when there's cold air outside.
Oh yeah, because you got the cold air intake. Bro, this thing's so choppy. Give him a rev.
Should I do it?
Yeah.
Scare them a little bit or what?
Yeah. He jumped. The one that was walking up to the car looked terrified. You ever swing this thing?
Like once or twice. Nothing like crazy.
Bro, this thing is so choppy.
Just create some distance.
Yeah, just go slow. The downshifts on this thing sound so good.
Yeah, then when I let off the gas, that's where it pops.
Bro, this thing just sounds great. You really only put a cold air intake? Did you put a cam on it though? Bro did not just put a cold air intake, bro.
Ready?
Yeah. Bro, even the seatbelt locked me in. Yo, bro, I didn't know it was that crazy. I've never been in a fast car. Bro, I've been on bikes, not a car.
I'm telling you, when it's cold, it's a lot different, bro.
Bro, it pulls harder?
Yeah, a lot harder.
That's crazy. Bro. This thing is wild.
There was a cop over there.
For real?
Yeah.
I wonder if he saw it.
Nah, I'm sure you heard it though.
Yeah, he probably heard it. Probably. What was that?
I'm sure you heard it.
This thing's so choppy.
Usually when I usually come out like later. When I bring the car out, I'll bring it out when there's not too many cars. So right now there's way too many, and I usually do like a couple here
Yeah.
since there's no cars and it's cooler at night too.
Oh yeah, I know. One day we gotta go when it's dark. When are we gonna go riding?
Probably a little bit later.
For real?
Since it's
Oh,
hot-
later
since it's
today?
hot right now. Well, you need gas, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll tell you.
Bro, I'm happy because I thought we weren't gonna go riding. I was like, oh man,
I need
Hey.
some gas too though.
I can buy you some. I got.
Something.
No, it's good, bro.
How much is yours usually fill up with?
Like $1. It's got a tiny
$1?
tank, bro. Yes. It's like
Okay.
probably like $1 or two. It's
I
only like
usually
a
get
2-gallon tank.
a full jug. Here, I'll show you.
If you want, I'll bring money. We can fill my gas tank up, and I'll give you some
It's
gas.
just a fucking. I have a tank at the house, so you just gotta fill it up.
All right, bet.
Fill it up and
Appreciate
then
you,
fill yours
bro.
up or whatever. I still have a good amount of gas left. I'm not tripping. I don't
Yeah.
gotta-
Oh, you live on this side? Okay. I've been here a couple times on my dirt bike. I used to I rev bomb somebody over here. I don't know where he was. That house right there. He don't like me.
Get my tank.
Got the sleeper.
Yup. That's a Hellcat motor.
For real? No, it don't. Stop playing with me. Bro, this thing sounds so good. It's so like, it really moves you too. You play sports?
Nah, I played football in middle school and I played baseball my whole life.
Yeah.
I can still throw a football like 70 yards though.
70 yards?
Yeah, look at this game off.
Can you throw a spiral 70 yards?
No. I can throw a ball 70 yards. There's too much traffic that way.
Look at that gay Tesla. So what are you about to do now?
Huh?
What are you about to do now? Fill up the bike and I'll follow you?
Fill up a bike and then yeah,
Alright, bet.
follow me that way. Then I'll just pull off the. Smell the gas in the truck.
I know I can smell it too. I was just about to say. At first, whenever I was getting in here, I was nervous.
You got an exhaust on it?
It's not warm.
Ready? I'll follow you.
Alright. Hey, 1 second. Let it warm up a little bit.
Yeah, you're good.
I think we're good.
Yeah? Send it. Go around to the right, that way. Other right.
Stupid idea.
It's a great idea, it's fun.